How to add tags to contacts in HubSpot 2024. In this video, we are going to be talking about how you're going to be able to add tags to your contacts in HubSpot in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, if you want to use this incredible platform for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get a free sign up and much more. So first of all, what you're going to be doing is you're going to make sure to come over to the contacts section in your HubSpot. Now, once we're over here, to add tags to them, you're going to go over to any contact that you want to add tags to. And once you're basically over here, to go ahead and add tags to different types of clients or contacts, here's what you're going to want to do. So over here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come over to actions and you're going to click on view all properties. Now, once you click on view all properties, this is basically where the tags are generated. As you can see, there's different tags for each property. So to add tags for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to click on manage property and create property. Now from here, this is basically how you're going to add tags. So let's say I want to add a tag like first name. All right, we're going to write that in. Object type, you can go ahead and add whatever you want. I'm going to add contact group. Let's go with contact information. And you can add some description regarding it if you want to. That totally depends on you. Then you come over to field type, what type of field it is. It's a single line text. And once you've done that, simply click on create and we have successfully created our tag. And again, if you want to use this platform for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below right now. So that is how you're going to add tags to contacts in HubSpot 2024. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.